So to find the vertices, what we need to do is have three different systems of linear equations. The first equation and second equation, second and third, and finally the first and the third one. Okay, so let's try that. Let's start with the first and second one. Okay, so we end up getting 2x plus 5y minus 16 is equal to 0, and 4x minus 3y minus 6 is 0. So we can't do any elimination steps yet, right, because we can't cancel out any of the variables, but multiplying this top equation by 2, right, multiplying this by 2, you end up getting 4x plus 10y minus 32 is 0. Now subtracting this through, x's cancel, and you get 10y plus 3y, so that's 13y. Here you get minus 32 plus 6, okay, so that's going to be minus 26, okay. Bring the minus 26 to the other side and divide by y, or by 13, sorry, and you get y is 2. So let's plug this into the second equation because the numbers are nice, right? Then I get 4x minus 3 times 2 minus 6 is 0. So that's 4x minus 6 minus 6, so that's minus 12, right? But that's just 12 if I bring it over. Okay, so then x is equal to 3. So one of the vertices will be 3, 2. Okay. Next up, we have the second equation and third equation. Okay, so let's multiply the third equation by 3, right? So here's the second equation. But if I multiply the third equation by 3, I get 9x plus 3y plus 6 is 0. But now, if I just add these two, the y's disappear. Okay, so you end up with 13x. This will be minus 6 plus 6, right? So that's 0. So you end up getting that x must be 0. Okay, and let's plug that back into this equation here, just because it's the easiest. You get 3 times 0 plus y plus 2 is equal to 0. This is 0, so you get y must be minus 2. So the other point is going to be 0 and minus 2. And finally, we have the first equation and the second equation. So the first equation we'll leave as it is. Okay, but if I want to cancel out the y here, all I have to do is multiply this one by 5. Okay, so multiplying the last equation by 5, you get 15x plus 5y plus 10 is 0. And then subtracting these equations, the y's disappear. Subtracting this through, you end up getting minus 13x. Here you get minus 26. Bring the minus 26 to the other side and divide by minus 13. Okay, so you end up getting just minus 2. Okay, so you get minus 2, and now we can plug it into, let's say, the last equation here. And we can easily find our y value. This is minus 6 plus y plus 2. So this will give me minus 4. Bringing it to the other side, it'll be positive 4. So the other vertex is going to be minus 2 and 4.